Stay tuned to find out how to make the rainbow drip terracotta pot. To begin, we're going to paint our terracotta pot a base layer of acrylic paint. I'm using Harvest Orange. You can customize your pot any way you want using any colors. This is an old terracotta pot that I found out on our back porch, and I decided to just make it a lot better looking. So I'm going to use this paint and paint on several layers, making sure to let each layer dry in between coats. Once the base coat has dried, I'm going to begin the drip process. So I'm going to take all different colors of acrylic paint that I have and basically let it drip down the side of the terracotta pot. Now you'll want to tip the pot back because there is a little bit of a ledge, and if you don't end up tipping it back, then the paint will just drip down and not go all the way down the side of the pot. So once you add each individual color, you don't really want to manipulate it too much. You want it to be kind of free form. And here you'll see I did not get a chance to tip the pot back in time, and the paint just went ahead and fell onto my surface that I was working on. So if that happens, you just add a little bit more paint and keep going with the drip process. You can use as many or as few colors as you want. Just customize it however you need it to be. Once you finish the drip process, set your pot on top of something that'll allow the paint to drip off. The last couple of steps, we're going to add a couple more decorations to our pot. First, I'm going to take this rope that I have and separate it and utilize just one piece of the rope to create a hanger. Once you separate the 3 pieces, you'll just kind of measure and eyeball how long or short you want your hanger to be, and then you'll simply hot glue the 2 ends inside the pot. You can use a generous amount of hot glue just to make sure that the hanger is secure. And lastly, we're going to add this really pretty piece of lace to the outside of our pot. Again, utilizing hot glue, add some to the piece of lace and wrap it around the outside of the pot. The placement of the lace is completely up to you. I just kind of put mine right in the middle, and once I hot glue this piece, I'm going to turn the pot around and hot glue a second piece so that the lace will go around the entire circumference of the pot. And here is the finished rainbow drip terracotta pot. I really like how it turned out. I added some little faux flowers to it, and it can hang anywhere in your home, or even if you want to add some cute decorations outside your house, you can do it to be outside, especially if you put faux flowers in. But if you want to put live plants in, that will work as well. Leave me a comment down below what colors you would use for your rainbow drip terracotta pot. Thanks for joining me for another video. I'm sorry this one is going up just a little bit late, so technically this is a Wednesday upload, but I will do better next week. We will be back on Tuesday, I promise. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend, and turn on the bell for notifications so you know every time I upload. I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, continue washing your hands, wear your masks, and stay from out around people if you possibly can. All right. Love you guys. Bye.